What's up, future millionaires? Billy Wilson here, and today in this video, I wanted to talk about how you can use video games to bring yourself success and an interesting mind change that I discovered that allowed me to break through the walls of making only a couple $1,000s a month till making six figures and multi-six figures now. And I'm going to share that mindset change with you guys so you can be able to achieve hopefully the same things if you start implementing on your own and start getting on the path of success. So I'm going to change up the scene of this video a little bit compared to my last videos and probably do a little bit of walking around the house. And then also at the end of this video, I will share with you my new PC build in case you want to see that. So stick till the end if you're interested in that at all. But to jump into the value part of this video, the thing that I want to talk about was how I used video games to bring me success and how you can too. And this really applies even if you don't play video games. So you can still take away the mindset part of this, and that's what this video is going to be all about. And the thing that I was thinking about was, why is it that people, when it comes to video games, everybody is so excited about the challenge? The reason we play video games is because of the challenge and the leveling up, and not because they're easy, but we actually play video games because they're hard, right? And a lot of times the more challenging video games are actually the ones that we play the most. But why is it when it comes to life, we tend to go away from the challenges in our lives? We try to stay in our comfort zone. But then when it comes to video games, we're getting completely out of our comfort zone and we're going to these new levels and everything like that. But then when it comes to life, we're just completely giving up. We're not trying new things and all of this. And the reason that I started to think of why that actually is, like what's causing the difference and the disconnect between us playing video games and achieving success there, but then not achieving success in real life. And really the concept that I've came up with and the reason why I think it is because with video games, you're not actually really that afraid of failure. And because you know that with video games, if you mess up, you get to try it over again. Or if you mess up in front of your friends, that it's not gonna be a big deal compared to in real life. If you mess up, you're maybe more so afraid of people judging you or like real consequences, like you feel like if you fail, you're not gonna have another chance. And that's really where you can reprogram your mind to start seeing failure not as like failure itself. Start seeing failure as feedback in order to get you to whatever your goal is. Because when you die in a video game or whatever, you learn how you died, and then you think about it, and then you know that next time I'm not going to do the same thing, I'm going to do something differently. But when it comes to success in real life, we don't tend to face the failure, so then we never learn and we never actually level up in life. And the thing is, you guys have to learn how to not be afraid of the failure, because in reality, 99% of the time, the failure is not going to cause any hurt for you. Well, it might cause a little bit of pain, but you have to not let other people judging you affect you, and not let the failure affect you, and start seeing failure as more so feedback to learn for the next time that you do it compared to not doing it all. Because when you use that failure to learn, then you can start moving to the next levels of life and move up from there. And that's really a huge difference mindset change that has allowed me to make a huge change. And the other aspect of it too is seeing, when you see like making money and success as more so like a game, and you start telling yourself like, this is so fun. And it's always been a fun thing for me to like see my bank account go up, to see that amount that I'm making every single month go up. That's the equivalent to me as like playing a video game. It's like I'm playing a video game in real life, but I'm doing it with money. And you can do this with every aspect of your life. It doesn't have to be necessarily money. It can just be improvement and leveling up in any part of your life, whether it's getting better sleep, having like a better relationship, like anything like that. You just have to have some kind of way of tracking it so that you can see the improvement over time. And this is where you can really start to rewire your mind to see like this challenge as something that's super fun and it's super easy. It doesn't matter if you fail. It doesn't matter if you're doing a social media marketing agency, for example. It doesn't matter if you go out to 10 businesses and you fail. Like, it's a challenge. It's like you just get to retry again, and you get to try with different businesses. And the failure doesn't really matter at all, because you just get to try it over and over again until you actually get the success. And once you get the success, I can tell you guys right now, nothing feels more amazing. And that's really what I wanted you guys to get out of this video, and how you can use the mindset of playing video games in order to bring you success. So hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll share you with you guys if you want to see the PC here in a second. But I wanted to let you guys know, for any of you that are interested in video games, or if you're interested in business, or even talking to me one-on-one potentially and asking some questions, I'm gonna be doing a live Q&A this Saturday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time. I might change the time, so make sure you keep updated on my channel, subscribed with notifications on so you can see if I change the time or anything like that. I will make a post about it if I do. But as of right now, if you put it in your calendar for this Saturday at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time, I'm gonna be playing some live Fortnite with you guys, answering your questions. So you can get your questions answered live, and then also you'll get the chance to play with me because I'll be able to have a squad of 4 people, and so you can have the chance to actually play some Fortnite with me and ask me any question you want during those games. So I'm gonna be doing that for an hour on Saturday, so it's gonna be a really fun time. Excited to do it. But the reason I'm able to do it, in case you're interested in PC stuff at all, it's because of this new PC here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with this thing, but just got this new PC, and that's why I'm doing it. It's stuck under my desk. It actually does stand up. Let me raise the desk a little bit. But for those PC crazy people, I'll just show you like a quick glimpse. But it's a GeForce RTX 2080 and I think Asus Hero Maximus XI, some liquid cooling, and like 32 gigabytes of RAM and a couple other things in there. It's a super beast PC and need it for work. Like, this has changed my life. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to show you that real quick. And I'm wanting to make a quick one so you can get some quick value out of this, and hope to see you on Saturday as well for the live Q&A, and see you guys in the next video.